Welcome aboard, aviation enthusiasts, and welcome back to Histories of Airliners. Buckle up. Today we're taking a tour of a magnificent machine, the Boeing 777-224ER, with United Airlines and the registration of November 77019. A tour we got to take thanks to United Airlines and the National Air and Space Museum at the Udvar Hazy Annex in Dulles, Virginia, at the museum's Innovations in Flight event. And while we're doing this, we will discuss the aircraft's history so far. This aircraft first soared in the skies in 2007, joining Boeing's impressive fleet of 777s. This twin-engine powerhouse quickly became a mainstay for long-haul travel, offering airlines like United Airlines and others exceptional range and efficiency. Let's rewind and see how the Boeing 777 revolutionized aviation. The 777 was a game changer. It brought together advanced technology, passenger comfort, and fuel efficiency, making long-distance travel more accessible than ever before. Airlines around the world embraced the 777, and this aircraft became part of the aviation success story. Before we go on board, let's discuss the history of this particular aircraft. As stated before, this aircraft had its first flight in early 2007. However, it wasn't delivered to United Airlines. It initially went to Continental Airlines 2 weeks after its first flight. The aircraft was given the name Larry Kellner after the Continental Airlines CEO at the time. Mr. Kellner served as CEO from 2004 to 2009. Continental Airlines would merge with United Airlines in the early 2010s, with everything being finalized in 2013. With United Airlines, the aircraft effectively kept its Continental livery, but with the United titles replacing Continentals. The aircraft's name even stayed. Over the next 2 decades of service this aircraft has performed, it received major internal reconfigurations of the passenger seating areas in 2012 and again in 2020. The aircraft's livery was updated to the current one in January of 2024. As we approach this airliner, the sheer size of the 777 is truly awe-inspiring. This wide-body jet can carry over 300 passengers comfortably across continents. Welcome aboard! The first thing you'll notice is the spacious cabin. United Airlines has configured this aircraft for a multi-class experience, offering passengers a variety of seating options. Let's start up front in the cockpit. The flight deck is a marvel of modern technology. Advanced avionics systems and ergonomic design allow the pilots to navigate the skies with precision and safety. Everything here is meticulously designed to ensure a smooth and efficient flight. Moving on, let's take a peek at the United Polaris business cabin. These comfortable lie-flat seats are perfect for stretching out and relaxing on long journeys. Passengers can enjoy personal entertainment systems, ample legroom, and dedicated flight attendant service. The seating in the middle have dividers that can be raised or lowered depending on how much privacy from your row mate that you want. Continuing aft, we have the main cabin. United Airlines offers different seating options here between what United calls Premium Plus and Economy Plus seating, catering to various passenger needs and budgets. Each seat provides ample legroom and a comfortable recline for a relaxing journey. No airplane tour is complete without checking out the heart of passenger comfort, the galleys. One all the way forward, one in midships, and one all the way aft to the passenger cabin. Here's where the magic happens. Flight attendants prepare delicious meals and refreshing beverages to keep the passengers happy throughout the flight. Standing nose to nose with a Boeing 777-200 is an awe-inspiring experience. Its sleek, swept wings stretch out like a giant bird ready to take flight. Powerful turbofan engines hang beneath each wing, promising smooth and efficient travel. As you walk alongside the fuselage, you'll notice the line of windows hinting at the rows of seats waiting to take passengers on adventures across the globe. Towards the tail, a massive rudder stands tall, ready to guide the plane through even the trickiest winds. The entire aircraft exudes a sense of power, grace, and innovation, a true marvel of modern engineering. Alright folks, that concludes our tour of this aircraft, the Boeing 777-224 Extended Range with United Airlines. This magnificent aircraft is a testament to engineering excellence and innovation in air travel. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the star of today's video. Hey there, want to get even more involved with this channel? Consider joining our YouTube membership or our Patreon. Members get awesome perks like helping to choose future video topics and getting early access to new videos before they hit the public feed. It's a great way to support the channel and become part of a dedicated community. We'd love to have you on board.